In today's video, I'm going to show you how I generated money with this cryptocurrency bot, which is called JetBot. I'm going to show you my results the past 3 weeks and how I configured this bot. So I'll first explain how this bot is set up. So you actually have to create a Binance account, and there you can connect this JetBot via API to your Binance account. So when you insert the API key and the API secret, you will allow them to do trades, to close the trades on your Binance exchange account. So first we have to connect this. Afterwards, you can create your bot, or you can also pay for a bot, which I also did. This is like a $20 bot, and someone configured this bot and it generates money. So I'm first of all going to show my result. This is a bot that I've tested now for almost 3 weeks, and I started with $500 on this bot, and it generates something in between 0.5% to 2%. It depends on the market, of course. So here's my bot trading logs, the history. So as you can see, my daily profit of today was $30, and the total profit is at $300. So everything will be logged, every trade that you do, every trade that you close. So here you can see it made 240 deals with a volume of $70,000, and the profit was $300. So here you configure it. It works with the future trading, so with leverage. And right now I have around $3,500 in this bot, but I started with $500, and just a couple of days ago I started to invest more money. So actually I have my Binance account, which is connected to this bot, and as you can see here, the total profit is at $260. It's actually here it says $290, but I switched the account in the beginning, so it's not totally accurate. So it has 16 winning days and 2 days which I lost. So from 18 days of trading, only in 2 days I made a loss. So here you can see I started with a very low number because there was probably a couple of $100 only invested, and then I started to add more money. And as you can see, $10, and this is one losing day, which is only 70 cents. Then it's again $9, $9, and here again, the loss day was only 20 cents. So in the last couple of days, I invested way more money, and as you can see here, I made around 1%, and on yesterday I made around 3% almost. So yeah, I tested this bot for like 3 weeks, and it's safe to say that this bot is very good. So now I'm going to explain how you can use this bot. So when you sign up the first time, you have a 3-day free trial where you can use one bot. So after those 3 days, your free trial will expire. So there's 3 options. There's the beginner, the basic, and the extended. So the difference is in the beginner you can use one bot with the maximum leverage of 20 times. At the basic bots you will get 2 bots, and in the most expensive one you can use 10 different bots. The API speed is faster, which is better, so the bot can do more trades. And you have some more bonuses, but which are not very important for you. So you can buy it monthly, pay monthly or yearly, and then you will have a 30% discount. So I will have a link to this JetBot in the description, and when you sign up with my referral code, you will get a $10 discount. You have also the possibility to connect your account with your Telegram app, so you can see the trades that are generated, your daily profits. You can also change settings for your bot via Telegram, and you will have also a news channel with good information from the site. So now I'm going to show you how I have configured my bot here. My bot strategy is long, which is buying the Bitcoins, and shorting is if you sell the Bitcoins. So I've paired it with Ethereum here. You can also use different coins, but with Ethereum, I have the best results. My starting amount is 650, which is recommended for a 3,500 balance. So let's say you only do $300, you will have here the starter amount to 60 to 65, but you will see the recommended balance down there. So my leverage is at 10. You could go higher, but there's a this is more risky, of course. So I would do between 5 and 20 for the leverage. My take profit is 1%. So if it reaches the 1%, it will instantly sell the deal. And again, I have the best experience with 1. You can also do it with 0.5. This is a safer option. Trailing take profit is set to 0.0, which means sometimes it will also close the deal at around 1.1% depending the market. Same here, you put in here your safety order amount, which is the same as above. Safety orders I have at 10. This means when the coin goes more down, it has safety orders which it places, where you can even make more money if it goes up again. Here you also put in a 1, and here you put in a 3, and I do a stop loss at 50%. You can also do without a stop loss, but I will have mine at 50%. After that, you will save the settings. So now I'm going to show you how you configure your exchange. So you first of all have to sign up on Binance. I will have a link in the description with my referral code where you get 10% off the exchange fees. So you can register it there. After that, you will go to your API, and then you can create an API. We'll put in a name, create the API. After that, this will appear. What you have to do is edit this and activate features and enable spot and margin trading, those two. And then you have to copy your API key, your secret key into here in those two tabs. And after that, you can connect to the exchange. And you need to be sure that your USDT coin is in your feature balance, because only then the bot will work, because it has to trade on this one. So you have to go to your features, trading, and then you have to transfer money from your spot account. And after that, you can create your bot here, create your feature bot, and then you can also create a demo bot. You don't have to insert any money. It will simulate with fake money how it would perform in the upcoming days. So this is how I actually tested a lot of bots to see which one is the best. So I will also have a Discord link in the description to a group where you can contact me if you need any help, if you have any questions. I will also open channels where we can post new settings which other people tested. So yeah, you also have the possibility to just create a demo bot and see for yourself how it would perform. With this method, you can always take your money out of the Binance. You are not in a contract with them, so you have the free will to take your money out anytime or stop the bot. So yeah, I hope I could help you guys out. Please tell me your experience down in the comments, how it performed. You can also message me on Discord. So yeah, thank you very much and have a nice day.